Greeting everybody and welcome back to our video in professional communication. And as we talk, previously we talk about, persuading people, like using language. So we talk about that language is a mechanism that we use to, create reality. And we say that, there is no, ultimate reality. Like there is certain reality, like everybody, and we support that with, talking about Mahmoud Muhammad Taha, the Sudanese philosopher, and we talk about the Greek philosopher Aristarchus. And today, and we use language and words, to manipulate, speech and text. And as we mentioned that we explain that and illustrate, the speech that given by Hemiti, the Janjaweed, president, that when he said, our goal is we don't have goal. And I explained that in the previous video, that why he said that it might be he's trying to persuade people, manipulating words, to persuade people. And then we say that there is no ultimate reality. There is certain reality, like everybody has reality. You have your own reality, I have my own reality, and then we combine some realities together to create one reality. And today we are going to talk about rhetorical analysis. What's rhetorical analysis? And we're going to talk about Aristotle. Aristotle is a student of Plato. And Plato is a student of Socrates. All those are, the Greek philosophers, or I can say those the philosopher who, they put the fundamental, steps of philosophy, or the fundamental of philosophy in general. So Aristotle is the one who come with the fundamental of rhetorical analysis. And then if we want to if we want to give a definition for rhetorical analysis is the art or of persuasion. According to Dr. Brian, is a professor of English 309 in Iowa State University. And then according to press book, that's online source, I am going to support this evidence to make you understand what's the art of persuasion, or what's the rhetorical analysis. They say that rhetorical analysis is the art of persuasion. It's a three-way, or three move that we use to persuade people in speech and in text. Rhetorical analysis is a way of explaining what's happening in a text, or in a speech, or in letter. So we use three ways: why, how, and why, what, and how. So what's happening in the text, or what's happening in the speech? You're trying to tell the audience what's going on. That's using rhetorical analysis. And then you're trying to tell the audience why you said that, or why you choosing that word, or why you choosing that communication, or that speech or text. And then you are trying to say how you choose it. So how the movement affect the audience, like you make the audience understand you, or you persuade the audience. So how you did that, that's all that rhetorical analysis. And then finally, the rhetorical analysis is like the author, like every author, like right now, me, like I am talking about rhetorical analysis. That's claim. I have to support that claim with evidence. And my evidence, as I told you, is Professor Brian, English 309, and then press book online. That's my evidence. You have to support your claim. Like every claim you say, like you say this is dash and dash, you have to support why you say that, where you get that information. You have to make the audience convinced that you get that information from a source. And then in the next video we are going to talk about the three movements of rhetorical analysis. I hope you guys understand me. Anyway, if you didn't understand me, just shoot me a message, or we can meet in the discussion board. Thank you so much.